There is no situation in your life that you cannot change starting today. Do you feel trapped, unfulfilled? Maybe you're not earning enough, or maybe you're in a career that you just don't love anymore. You would be part of the 85% out there who don't love their jobs, and that is a real statistic. Over 75% of the people leaving their jobs nowadays are not going back into the matrix. They're creating new positions, they're launching their own businesses, and they're taking control. I was one of them. I'm Landria Onkka. You may have seen me on other ads promoting internet business training. You may have also seen me on my channel, my YouTube channel, where I help thousands and thousands of people to make positive changes. I believe in what I promote for a reason. It worked for me, and it's working for so many other people who want to get out of these situations where they're unhappy, underpaid, underappreciated, exhausted, no time with your family. You know that feeling. I think we've all been there. After 25 years as an investment banker, I decided to go after my dreams to be a writer. And I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book that was turned into a television movie. I've written several more. But I didn't just carelessly quit my career. I owned my own business at the time. But I was working so hard, and I realized I had to learn a new skill, and I didn't want to go back to night school. It made no sense. I needed to learn something that was state-of-the-art, that was going to get me the kind of freedom and the financial abundance that I deserve. So I got internet training online and learned how to create online businesses. Well, as an investment banker, I already knew how businesses ran. I worked with hundreds of them. But an online business is different, and I needed the right kind of training. Serious people who were successful at it, who've been around a while, and who could teach me and give me the kind of support that I wanted. I didn't want to be out there on my own. And I wanted the flexibility to create the kind of business that I wanted. You see, I want to help other people. I wanted to contribute positively to this planet. And I accomplished my goals. I got the proper training. I call it the Harvard of Internet training. And I learned how anybody willing to learn this system can create multiple businesses in multiple income streams, in e-commerce or coaching or promoting other products. No products or services are required. You don't have to have tech experience. You don't have to have former business owner experience. You just have to be willing to learn. Just like if you went back to school and learned a skill, but you can do this in a fraction of the time. It's serious, but the end results could be amazing. I make more money now than I did as an investment banker. And I also love what I do every day. I get to travel and do the things that I love in the areas that I love. Nobody tells me what to do, but I have all of those skills and the support that's required to have a successful business. Now, if you're willing to put the time in, if you're willing to step outside that matrix and start to take control of your life, we'll be there to help you. You can click somewhere on the screen, get a free workshop series, and check it out. I've seen people who've known me for years and decided it's time now for them to change their lives. People that have been searching for an answer and haven't found it realize this is legitimate training that could actually change every aspect of their life. How would you like to travel, spend more time with your family, stress out less, control exactly what's happening in your business, and have an entire support system that is included in your training? This is what's available, and if you check out somewhere here on the screen and you click, a free workshop series explains how does this work? What is an internet business? What kind of training is entailed? How much time do you have to put in? When can you start earning? And all the questions that I had. Click on the screen. You can get your free workshop series, and if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. Don't wait until technology takes over your life. Take charge of technology to create your own life. It's possible, and I hope that you'll join me. Thanks for listening. Click somewhere on the screen, and I'll see you on the other side.